Brother and sister, today I am going to share with you about faith. My brother and sister, if a person claims to have faith but does nothing, that faith is worth nothing. Faith like that cannot save anyone. Suppose a person or sister or brother comes to you in need of clothes or something else, and you say to them, God be with you. I hope you stay warm and get plenty to eat. But you don't give them the things they need. If you don't help them, your words are worthless. It is the same with faith. If it is just faith, nothing more. If it does not do anything, it is dead. But someone might argue, some people have faith and others have good works. My answer would be that you can't show me your faith. If you don't do anything, but I will show you my faith by the good I do. You believe there is one God, okay, and that's good. But even the demons believe that and they shake with fear. You fool. Faith is that does nothing is worth nothing. Do you want me to prove this to you? Do you know Abraham? He was one of biggest person in faith, and he had a great faith in God, and he was a friend of God. So you see the Abraham faith, and what he did works together. His faith has made perfect by what he did. Means he did not say that God will save us, but he did something. So you see that people are made right with God by what they do. They cannot be made by right. They cannot be made right by faith alone. We cannot say that God will help us. Okay, you go. If somebody is coming in our home and they are asking, I need brother, where I will get. So don't say God will help you. If you have anything, you should help them. If you will not help and you will say God be with you, it means your word is worthless. Your word is worthless. So, my dear brother and sister, if any beggar, if any person comes in your home, they ask something, try to give them. Try to give them your best thing. Then God will give you His best thing. Do you know? If you will do like this, the God will provide whatever you need. But without work, the faith will not work. As we believe that, we believe in God. But if we will not do anything, and how it will work? So we have to do the good things for God. If you have a faith, if you don't do anything, your faith is useless. Your faith is worthless. My dear brother and sister, today I want to tell you the one thing. If you have a faith, if you believe God, then you must help the poor. You must help the helpless, homeless person. Now this is time for help the people. As much as possible, help the poor. Thank you, my dear brother and sister. I hope you could learn something today.